Yeah, I absolutely love this one. Not just because I'm biased and it's a Vekoma, but it's a very, very good family ride. This one, the FLC Family Launch Coaster, only opened last month. Well, actually this month, beginning of June, July. In fact, no, it was last month, July today, yeah. Beginning of June, double launch. So you go around the layout twice. So you go into this second rolling launch here. Can't really get it, but yeah, I'm gonna get quite a bit of footage of it anyway, so you'll see it. Really comfy trains on there. Yeah, I don't really rank family coasters, but I've got to say that I would rank this one quite high if I did. Yeah, Lightning, definitely get yourself down here and do this one.